Nura Zainab. Our project is titled Shining Science Copper Electroplating in Everyday Life. Electroplating is the process of depositing a thin layer of copper on any other metal using electric current. Electroplating works on the principles of electrolysis. Electroplating is done to improve the appearance and to protect it from corrosion. I'm Simran Nur. In this experiment, we use copper sulfate solution as the electrolyte. The copper wire is connected to the anode. The copper wire is connected to the positive terminal, which acts as the anode, and the iron nail is connected to the cathode, which acts as the negative terminal. In this experiment, you can see that when electric current is passed, the copper ions move towards the cathode and are deposited on the iron nail. The color of the iron nail was silver, but after electroplating, it has turned brown because of the iron deposited on it. After electroplating, the iron turns reddish brown due to copper coating. Electroplating of copper has many applications in daily life. It is used in electric wires, electronic components, and jewelry making. Electroplating protects metals from corrosion and increases their durability. Advantages: improves appearance, saves costly metals, protects, prevents corrosion, and increases the life of the object. Conclusion: thus, electroplating is an economical and useful process widely used in industries. These are some of the articles which are electroplated to make it attractive. Thank you.
I'm Havish Abid. I'm Nabiha Mustafa. I'm Sumaya Ghazala.
I'm Khadija Fatima.
We are the students of Class 8 from Jalpally, presenting the working mode of hydroelectric power plant. A hydroelectric power plant is a power station that generates electricity with the help of flowing or falling water. When the water is released, it moves a turbine which then generates electricity. Construction of a dam. A suitable site with a strong foundation is for a dam construction. Geological and hydrological surveys are carried out at the site. The foundation is excavated, cleaned, and treated to prevent leakage. The reservoir is filled up slowly and monitored for safety. Working of a hydroelectric power plant. A hydroelectric power plant uses flowing water to generate electricity. The water is stored at a height in a dam. The height from which the water falls is called the head. When the gates of the dam is open, the water falls with a great force. Due to the force of water, the turbine starts rotating. The rotating turbine is connected to a generator. The generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The electricity is then supplied to houses, schools, and factories. After turning the turbine, the water returns back to the river.
Advantages: hydroelectric power plant is a renewable source of energy. Hydropower uses flowing water which is naturally replenished through the water cycle. It produces no air pollution or greenhouse gas emission during operations. The running cost is low as no fuel is used. Dams can support irrigation, flood control, water supply, navigation, and recreation. Hydroelectric power plants are efficiencies over 90%. The dams can support in creating jobs, support local development, tourism, and fisheries. And lastly, they provide electricity to remote areas.
Thank you.
Good morning. We the students of class 7th A, Mehreen and Zehra and Faiba. Today we are going to present the evolution of electric bells from old technology to new innovation. Electric bell. An electric bell works using an electromagnet in a circular direction, creating a ringing sound based on the principle of electromagnetism. Water alarm. A water alarm. The aim is to show how to make a simple water level alarm that gives the alert when the water level rises. The water alarm uses the same principle but activates on occurring of current. The sensor wire touches the water, the circuit occurs and the buzzer rings. This model works on the principle that water conducts electricity. Doorbell alarm. Doorbell alarm is an advanced form of electric bell with wires and magnets. The electromagnets attracts the iron armature, causing the hammer to strike the gong. This cycle repeats rapidly, creating a buzzing or ringing sound as per when the magnets are attracted.
Technology improvement. This project shows how basic science evolved into smart technology. Earlier, devices like electric bells were used to work with simple electricity and magnets. With time, the science improved and sensors were added to the system. Now, these devices can automatically detect smoke, detect water, give alerts, and make movements. This helps in maintaining security, save our time, and make our life more easier. Thank you. Hope you enjoy our presentation.
TV, and my name is Saida Memna Shazar from Extension Blog. Today our topic is human body. The first layer in the human body is the skin. The skin is the largest organ protecting against germs, UV rays, and injury. The skin sheds 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells every minute. The skin covers an area around 20 square feet in an adulthood. The next system is the nervous system. The nervous system is the body's command center, a complex network of the nerves, the brain, and spinal cord that transmits signals for everything. The next system is the muscular system. Muscular system is an organ system with over 600 muscles crucial for movement, posture, and supporting organs like comprising smooth skeletal and cardiac tissue that contracts pores, produce heat and circular blood, and enables function from walking to breathing. The next system is the digestive system. The digestive system breaks down food into nutrients for energy, growth, and repair, involving the gastrointestinal tract and accessory organs that produce digestive juices. A brief introduction on how the process of digestion works. First, ingestion and mechanical breakdown. Second, chemical breakdown. Third, absorption. And fourth, elimination. The next system is the skeletal system. Skeletal system is the internal framework of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and joints, protecting organs, providing structures, and store minerals like calcium. The respiratory system is a biological system for gases exchange, bringing oxygen into the body and expelling carbon dioxide, involving organs like nose, mouth, throat, windpipe, and lungs, with gases exchange occurring in tiny air sacs called alveoli. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood, responsible for delivering oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells to the body. The last system is the excretory system. Excretory systems remove metabolic waste, excess substance, and toxins from the body, maintaining the internal chemical balance through organs like kidneys, which produce urine, and the lungs, which exhale carbon dioxide. The main organs of excretory system are kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Lungs, skin, and the large intestine are also the excretory organs. فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان? Thank you.